Hey, how's it going? My name's Jeremy, and I own a cleaning company. And I've lately been trying to be active in different groups just to try to be helpful and just answering questions and stuff. And one of the things that we're going to start doing is we've created a cleaning business bootcamp public group, um, just to open up a group to talk more about the business side of the cleaning company stuff. There's a lot of groups that do a great job of where we help each other with the cleaning stuff and all that. But I wanted to create a place where we could talk business. That's what I'm better at, and that's just to kind of show you some of my background. Like with our company, we've gotten 879 calls in the past 30 days. Kind of dropped off a little bit. We've been having some issues with our phones, so that's kind of been a pain in the butt. But um, and then we started last year or last fall, December. I think we did like $10,000, and then this June we're at 46,000 ish. So, like I said, I know the business part of it. I don't do any cleaning, never have, probably don't need to, but I'm pretty good at the business part, specifically of getting clients. My background is in digital marketing. I actually own a digital marketing company, which is kind of what led me to start a cleaning company, just because I wanted to have something more concrete that I could own. Excuse me, just I guess maybe more financial stability or something. I'm not sure, but so we've done pretty well. We've gone from like um, one location that my daughter started. She actually started the business, and now we're in making money in 8 locations, and we're growing in others. So, anyways, just wanted to say hi, introduce myself, and welcome you to join our business boot camp. I've had several requests to actually share in training form what it is we do to generate these calls. Um, I kind of know what I'm doing with Google business listings. Google listings called Google Business Profile. And so I've had a bunch of requests to kind of put together some training. And so that's what we're doing. We've got the videos and everything all together. And I'll show you. Oh, let me see here. So these are all the videos. I've went ahead and created a whole bunch of training videos to kind of walk everyone through, or whoever wants to join, walk people through step by step what it is I do to get my G and Bs ranked to get this many calls a month. Um, we spend very little money on ads, maybe $1,500 to maybe $2,000 a month on Google local ads. We don't spend any money anywhere else, and so yeah, that's it. Just wanted to. I'm not a big rah rah sales guy. I'm terrible at sales, but just wanted to invite you to join the free public group. We are doing a Q&A tomorrow night, or I guess it's tonight, Sunday night at 9 o'clock. You can find the information in the group. We've got another group that I created called Cleaning Business Bootcamp. It looks just like this, but it's private. And so I didn't realize that. Not really experienced with creating groups, but so we made a public one. I just made the public one, and I'm going to post this video in here. So you're welcome to jump in. I'll do a Q&A, just kind of answering questions. We answered. We did this last Sunday for like an hour and a half, and then that's when it kind of people started asking, "Hey, would you do a training and sell it?" And so this week I've been trying to put together the training, and so we'll do a Q&A, and then we'll share the training with whoever wants to jump in. So, Cleaning Business Bootcamp public group, you're welcome to jump in if you want. Would love to meet you, and have a great day.